A little tip: if your self-priming mechanical pump diesel tractor won't start, this is the fuel pump here. It has a lift pump down here, and then the mechanical pump to actually create the pressure. And then this little solenoid moves out, supposed to move out, whenever you get power to the key, so that whenever it gets 12 volts, the solenoid comes out and allows fuel to flow. So I was having all kind of problems starting this thing. I thought I ran out of fuel, so I filled it up. I tried to pinch off the return line. That supposedly helps create pressure to push fuel into the system with higher pressure. That didn't work. I tried spraying diesel fuel into the airbox, which is not a good idea, so don't do that. And then I looked at all the fuses. Fuses were fine. And so I came back around to it, and this turned out to be a faulty solenoid. So I'm going to buy one, hook it up, and then let you know if it works. And one more thing I forgot to mention, I did check to see if the fuel line was clogged coming from the tank. So I closed this off, took the fuel filter out, and turned that valve to make sure I was getting a good flow. I had plenty of flow, there's no problem there, so I did check that as well. So I had fuel coming all the way down to here. I know I had fuel coming up to my mechanical lift pump here, all the way to this point. And that's just another thing I checked that you might want to look at.